Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to build an online business and make money online. It's a simple concept where you promote other people's products and services and get a commission when someone buys through your affiliate link. Every month I make anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000 with affiliate marketing. You don't need to produce an item. You do not require any kind of cash to begin. And it offers you adaptable time and place. So you can work whenever you desire. Affiliate marketing is literally the most convenient way that you can begin to earn money online without any previous experience. Hello. This is Engaged Marketing and welcome to the channel, where we teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button. And if you have any concerns, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. You can find affiliate programs from a variety of different companies in a range of different niches, so you can build a diverse affiliate marketing business and have options for promoting products and services in a variety of different industries. The first step to becoming an affiliate marketer is to identify a niche and a company you want to affiliate promoting for. When it comes to affiliate marketing, a niche is the area of interest in your product or service. You can find niches that are related to your business, but there are also niches that are completely unrelated to your business. For example, if you're in the business of selling car accessories, you can find niches such as outdoor products or rugs. This gives you the opportunity to build a large audience that is interested in your niche. Once you've identified industry and a company that interests you, it's time to find an affiliate marketing program. There are a variety of different affiliate marketing programs, so you can find a program that suits your needs and interests. Some of the most common affiliate marketing programs are affiliate marketing networks, where you can build a network of affiliates and other marketers who are promoting the same product or service. One of the most common affiliate marketing networks is Commission Junction, with a network of over 1 million merchants, including Amazon and eBay. Commission Junction is a great place to start your search for affiliate marketing opportunities. Other large affiliate marketing networks include ShareASale and RevShare. While these networks are great for beginners, experienced affiliates can build an affiliate marketing business on their own platform. If you're new to affiliate marketing, the best way to get started is with an affiliate program that matches your interests and skills. You can find affiliate marketing programs from a range of different companies in a variety of different niches and industries. This means you can build a diverse affiliate marketing business and have options for promoting products and services in a variety of different industries. You can also specialize in one niche or industry and learn more about it before you decide to expand your interests and build a business in a new one. Now, you have your niche and your affiliate link. What now? People must see your offer. Bear with me. One of the easiest ways to get traffic to your affiliate links is to partner with an influencer. This will allow you to build a relationship with an influencer who will promote your products to their large fanbase. This will generate a large amount of traffic to your affiliate links, which will ultimately generate sales for you. In order to drive traffic to your affiliate link, you need to first build a following. The best way to build a following is to provide high-quality content that people want to read. When you're starting out, finding a niche that interests you and writing articles or social media posts about that niche will build your initial audience. Over time, you can expand your audience by offering other content such as videos and podcasts. The potential is almost limitless when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing. You can make a lot of money when you first start out, and you can build a powerful affiliate marketing business that makes a lot of money month after month. You can build a six-figure affiliate marketing business and earn a lot of money from affiliate marketing in your spare time without a lot of time and effort. The best way to learn technical skills for affiliate marketing is to study the people who are already doing it successfully. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can find blogs, videos, and other content from affiliate marketers who are currently in the industry and are making a lot of money. You can also learn more about the technical aspects of affiliate marketing by reading blogs, watching videos, and listening to podcasts. The more you learn, the better off you will be when it comes to building an affiliate marketing business that makes a lot of money. I will leave you in the description of this video a very good free training in affiliate marketing. It's a free community that pays you for the basic training. Join today. This is the system I use every day to make money online. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you learned something today. This is Engaged Marketing. And I'll see you in the next video.